Hi, my name's Scott. For today's video, we're going to be looking over, it says the world's #1 portable fan brand. Well, we're going to see how well this fan actually is. Well, I gotta admit, presentation is definitely very nice. The accessory box. You got your fan right inside here. Okay. So the accessories are a charging cable, which is a Type-C, and a manual. Okay, so this is it. This is what it looks like. Very interesting. You have your power button on the side here. You have your charging port underneath. Just tells you right, and it says left. It almost reminds you of some kind of like new age space glasses. And for how this works, you just lift it open, put it around your neck, and then you can make it tight according to your needs. Interesting. All right, we're just having a little fun with it. Hey guys, you like my new space glasses? I can see into the future. All right, so in all seriousness, we're gonna go ahead and turn it on and test it out. All right, guys. So to up the fan speed, there's gonna be this little button that you just push up. Here you can hear how quiet it is. That fan is blowing like crazy. This lights up as well, which is really cool. It tells you the battery. So 99%. That's pretty awesome that it lights up and lets you know. It definitely cools your neck off. Like, you can definitely tell the difference. I mean, it is very cooling. And I like that you could rotate it if you wanted it on the front. You just need to twist the back here, so you could have it on the front as well. Or on the side. You could have it on the side. That's pretty nice. And also, I know it looks really dumb, but you can also set it on your head, which cools the back of your head. Overall, now, I can't say it's the world's best because I haven't reviewed every single one in the world, but I can definitely say it's in the top 5 that I've reviewed. Very impressive. Very, very impressive.